with another video. Oh my god. With another video for you guys. So today's video is going to be about the child and the parent. It's going to be on ways to understand your teenager, child, or children, because I have realized that a lot of parents are struggling to deal with or to communicate with their teenager. And as a teenager, I'm going to give you guys 10 tips on how to communicate with us, how to get us talking, for us to interact with you guys as how you want us to interact with you guys. So please sit back, please relax and watch this video until the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification to be notified when Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. So guys, at the end of the video, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me if this video has helped you with your teenager. Okay. So the first tip is, don't focus on the attitude. Focus on what causes it. If you get that, please give me a thumbs up. That means that, your teenager might give you attitude or there's a little turn in their behavior. Don't focus on that. Sit down with your child, if your child is a person who can sit down with, and try to talk to them, like say, what is causing this behavior? What did I do to make you feel this way, or is making you react this way? If your child is not the type to sit down and talk, maybe you could do it, let somebody else do it, like their friend or something, because not every child really is a verbal child. I don't know, but at least, even if they're not a one to speak about their emotions, just call them one day and sit down and say, what is causing this behavior? Where is this attitude coming from? The communication, the questions that you ask, asking questions shows that you care. Let me tell you, it's coming from a teenager, so I ain't telling you guys nothing that is not right. So the second one is, there is always two or more sides of a story. For example, if something happens on the road or at school, please, parents, please call us or text us, or at least come to us personally and ask us what is our side of the story. Because some parents the first thing that comes to their mind is physical. They want to hit us anytime they heard something at school or something on the road, or somebody text them or call them and tell them something. Parents, please come to us first and ask us our point of view. It is very hurt. It is very heartbroken sometimes when you guys just take that side of the story and don't come to us. So guys, parents, come to us first before any reaction. I'm here to tell you, it's gonna make a change in your child's life and in your life also. Engage in something we like. For example, music. I think music is the biggest one. Alright, for example, some of us young people like dancehall music, and some of our parents are Christian, but find a genre that the both of us can listen. For example, calypso, even reggae. Christian people can listen to reggae. Reggae is righteous music. So find something that the both of us can listen, engage in, reading a book, watching the movie. You have some children who love the movie. So if our parents will sit down and just watch a nice movie with us, that will be amazing. And that also helps the communication skill, because you can say, hey, do you like the movie? Yes, mom, the movie is good. How about you? Communication skill has grown. So the fourth one is, set limits and be consistent with your discipline. Alright, for example, if a child wants to go out today tomorrow, the next day, no. I know some of you parents want to be that cool parent, but when you give some of these children leaps, or my mother would say, when you give them they give them a yard, they want a mile. Some children will say, I not even have to ask my mother because I know she's going to say yes anyways. So them don't bother to ask you because they know you're going to say yes. I'm not saying to not let your child have fun, because we need fun. But anyways, you have to have limits to their fun. Follow your guts, mothers and fathers who are watching this. Follow your guts. Sometimes when you guys say no, and you feel like something is about to happen if they go such and such places, and you say no, and them say, Mommy, you know what, me go nowhere, and me not go nowhere. And you go say yes, and then them go, something happen to them, you are never going to forgive yourself. So if your guts says no, don't let them go. I understand most of the times when I hear no, because a parent knows, and they have been there before. Somebody said to me that what I have to climb on a light post and see, they can stay under the bed and see that. That means that they have been through things that I am going through right now, so they know. So this is for the child. So sometimes when your parent says no, just say okay and find something to do. Me I tell you no. Right, something I tell you no. So the fifth one is boost your child's self-esteem. So when a child, alright, some persons like me, if I don't come first, second, or third in my class, I feel like the world is ending. I feel like everything is going bad. So if you have a child like me, if I don't come the first, second, or third, and I might come fourth or fifth, say you are brilliant and I know you can do it next time because you are amazing and you were made by God, so you are super. You must boost them esteem and say you are wonderful because you were made by me. You were conceived in my home. You know, you have some children who just want them parents big them up. Big up your child and say, yes, you are amazing. You might not get the 70, but you will get it if you work harder next time. Some parents will cuss out them child and say, you workless like your papa. No, guys, come on. That is in the days. We are in the 21st century. It's time to big up your children and make them feel special. Guys, it's Child's Month. Come on. Come on, parents. So the sixth one, be a role model. Please be a role model. You have some parents who be like, if we talk patois or if we talk really, really like the really, real patois, then be like, you chat buddy, you can't talk better. But you aren't talking to me better for me to know better, or for you to lead and I to follow by your example. You do not do things for me to see, to say, okay, this is the right thing to do. If you parents do not set a standard for your children, there's no standard to see for me to follow. And you guys keep on doing certain things and saying certain things to us and expect us to know better. We cannot know better if our parents are the one not teaching us better. Because if my parent do something, me not go follow the other parent out the road. That is my parent. I am going to do what my parents are doing. Right? Yes. Period. Somebody say. Alright, stop it, guys. Number 7. Show your child unconditional love. You know how wonderful, how nice it is when you hear your parents say, I love you, I love you so much, my pumpkin. Even when them call you pumpkin or dumpling or gummy bear or what kind of bear or whatever, that it does. Even though some of we might go on, but mommy, you're going so, I'm not going like so when I like it. Yes, so the 8th one is stop comparing. Me get back serious, pound man. Stop comparing us to the child down the road. Stop comparing, especially when you ever compare with our best friend them. Cause our best friend them might be brighter than we. Not even brighter than we. They might take school more serious or they might literally brighter than we. Study better. No, you have some children who knows their strategy their strategy of studying, and we might not figure out full strategy. Our strategy. Yeah, guys. So don't compare us. It's not nice, and it goes back to boosting our self-esteem. That devours our self-esteem. Just to know that you guys aren't proud of what we can accomplish. It's really exhausting sometimes. And from personal experience, I have friends who their parents compare them to me. I have my strategy. I am different. We have different brains. We have different mentalities. So I personally, even though my parents don't compare me, I don't like to see when my best friends are compared to me, because that makes me, they might feel a way about it, and I don't want that to be something that is destroying our friendship. Because just imagine somebody compare you with your best friend, you're gonna feel a way, something you never go on there on them. I want my friend. Alright, adjust your expectations. Yes, guys. Yes, parents, adjust your expectations. You expect we to become a doctor, but we are not good in science. You expect us to become a lawyer, but law, we can't even stop T. Flasco. Like, you want us to be a lawyer. You want us to be somebody of, I don't know. Some parents want us to be pastors, but we can't even say Psalms 21, 23 or 21 without looking in the Bible. Like, you guys have to adjust your expectations. Some of us want to be something, and our parents are like, no, don't be that. That doesn't have any money. Or, no, that's not a high profile job. We are our own selves. We want that for ourselves, because at the end of the day, we are going to do the job. And if a person do not love their job, they cannot work at heart. So parents, please adjust your expectations of us. The last one is to listen. Let's just be quiet for some time. Just listen. Listen to us. Sometimes our silence that you guys see is telling our parents so much. Some of us children, we are hurting. So we get bullied at school. Our teachers call us names. Some of us, we are going through so much. But just if our parent would just listen. Bullying at school is another video that I'm going to do. I'm going to share my experience of bullying, because I am a dark-skinned girl. I get bullied because I'm black. Yes, I am dark-skinned. Look at my skin. I'm dark. So I get bullied because of that. That's a different video. I'm not going into it on this video. So guys, just listen to us. Listen. Some of us are telling you guys some things that you guys are saying it's a lie, or you guys don't believe us because we are liars or something. Everybody lies. Every child lies. And the only way we think, we are children, we think that the only way to get out of a lie is to lie. And lie like that. So you guys have in your mentality that anything we tell you is a lie, and that will affect you guys. Because at the end of the day, if something happens to us and we say, Mommy, Daddy, this happened to me, and you guys think it's not true, or because we have lied before, that won't help you. sit down with the child and have a reasonable conversation, because as I said, this video is mainly about teenagers and their behaviors. So it's a person that has sense. They can communicate with their parents. So sit down and talk to us, parents. We need you in this time. I see from we reach 12 to 19 or go to 20, we need your guidance. Even though we behave like we don't need it, we need it. But some of us, pride, you don't know, but pride it stands firm in our teenagers. We just want to do things by ourselves. Yes, and that's so we become from we turn 12 to 19 or go to 20. Pride in a way. Pride. Yes, so guys, thank you for watching my video. I know if you follow my steps, you will have a better communication and a better life with your teenager. So please practice the 10 tips, the 10 steps that I've told you guys, and just love yourself, love your child, respect yourself, respect your child, respect your environment, respect the persons put before you and above you. And guys, just big up on yourself and just subscribe, like, comment, turn on your post notifications to be notified. Please tell a friend, tell a auntie, tell a cousin, a family member to subscribe to Dipped in Chocolate, because there's a lot more videos over here for you guys to learn and to laugh. Big up on yourself. Let me put my notebook. Bye.